Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something truly legendary, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 old model. This is not just a vehicle, this is history on four wheels. A machine that built Toyota's reputation for toughness and reliability across the world. And now in 2026, that classic spirit is still alive and stronger than ever. The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 originally made its name decades ago as one of the most dependable off-road vehicles ever built. It was simple, rugged, and nearly unstoppable. The 2026 version keeps that same DNA. It's not about flashy technology or luxury gimmicks, it's about durability, capability, and pure mechanical honesty. This vehicle is built for people who appreciate heritage and real off-road performance. Let's talk about the exterior because this is where the FJ40 really steals the show. The design stays true to the original with its boxy shape, flat front fascia, and iconic round headlights. There's something incredibly satisfying about that upright stance and squared-off body. It looks tough without even trying. The steel bumpers, chunky all-terrain tires, and high ground clearance give it a serious off-road presence. Whether parked in the city or sitting on a mountain trail, it demands attention. The classic paint colors only enhance its retro charm, giving it that authentic vintage feel while still looking fresh in 2026. Step inside and you immediately feel transported back in time, but in a good way. The cabin keeps things simple and purposeful. You get analog gauges, straightforward controls, and a clean dashboard layout. Everything feels mechanical and direct. The seats are durable and supportive, designed for long adventures rather than luxury cruising. There's no oversized touchscreen dominating the dashboard, and honestly, that's refreshing. The FJ40 focuses on driving, not distractions. Visibility is excellent thanks to the upright windshield and large windows, making it easy to navigate tight trails or busy streets. When it comes to comfort, this vehicle stays honest to its roots. It's not designed to glide over the road like a modern luxury SUV. The ride is firm, and you will feel bumps and uneven terrain. But that's part of the character. The seating position is upright and commanding, giving you full confidence behind the wheel. On longer drives, it feels solid and dependable. You're not wrapped in soft leather and ambient lighting, you're surrounded by durability and practicality. And for many enthusiasts, that's exactly the appeal. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the Land Cruiser FJ40 truly shines. Under the hood, it focuses on torque and reliability rather than high-speed thrills. The power delivery feels strong and steady, especially at low speeds. Off-road, this thing feels unstoppable. It climbs steep hills confidently, crawls over rocks without hesitation, and handles mud and rough terrain like it was built for nothing else. The 4x4 system is straightforward and dependable. On paved roads, it remains stable and predictable, though you'll always remember you're driving a classic-style off-roader. It's not fast, but it feels powerful in the way that truly matters. In the end, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 old model is not for everyone. It doesn't try to compete with modern luxury SUVs packed with technology. Instead, it stays true to what made it legendary: toughness, simplicity, and unmatched off-road capability. This is a vehicle for enthusiasts, collectors, and adventurers who appreciate timeless design and mechanical purity. It's not just transportation, it's an experience. If you love classic SUVs with real character and serious capability, the FJ40 remains one of the most iconic choices you can make. And, honestly, in a world full of high-tech crossovers, something this raw and authentic feels incredibly special. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about the legendary Land Cruiser FJ40. I'll see you in the next one.